How to get coins on Temu app easily. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Temu application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the U icon at the bottom of your screen. From here you should be able to find the option of earn credits and free gifts. If you do not find this option, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, then tap on country and region, and you want to make sure that you have selected United States over here. So if you haven't done that, make sure you do. Now tap on the earn credits and free gifts option. From the list, tap on the redeem credit option. Now from here you will be able to get coins on Temu. You can simply tap on the refer new app users option. Then you will find a link over here. Simply copy that link and then share it with your friends. Once your friends accept your invitation, you will earn a reward. After that, you'll be able to spin the wheel over here and you'll get more coins. From here, you can also redeem it as credit. You can earn different gifts by inviting even more friends, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.